Right, so we are back on with the 3 Series that we purchased from Copart. So this is our BMW 320 M Sport Estate, what you asked for on the channel also. So we've done the same thing again. We bought you another vehicle. So Jana, why is it that you are climbing through the passenger side on this vehicle, Jake?
Because someone's bought a car where the driver's door doesn't open.
What do you mean the driver's door don't open? Let me have a look. Oh yeah! That's why it was in Copart. Is that going to be safe to drive? Now, it's got to have been at least 6 weeks ago maybe that we purchased this one and the Nissan Leaf. But we have had so much going on. It is unbelievable. I even went out and bought another car in silver so we could take these parts off. So, we had the wing, we had the door, both damaged. They wrote the vehicle off for the damage in the sill. I went out and bought a complete car. When we got the car back here, it was so nice, I didn't want to rip it apart. So what I ended up finding was another BMW in Alpine White, which we bought another door, we bought another wing, and we bought the side skirt. So we have decided to do it that way. So we've removed the wing and we have put the door on, which we'll be taking back off in a minute. And look at this, guys. Look at that. It fits perfectly. So the door is on, but we have got to do the damage which is in here. So come and have a quick look. This is what they wrote it off for. This. So what we'll be doing today, this door that Wayne fitted last time out will be coming back off. We will be showing you how we pull these dents out of this sill. And then once we're happy with everything, we'll be getting the wing fitment done, side skirt on, and then this will be ready for a bit of paint. But this is a one former keeper, 90,000 miles, Sport Plus, 2-litre diesel BMW. And to be honest, it drives fantastic. So let's crack on with the video and let's get this door off and get this dent pulled out.
Look, we saved one too.
It's mad, isn't it, when you think about it? You can actually hold that while it puts electric through it. Because it's being grounded through the body of the car, yeah. It doesn't electrocute you.
No.
So as you can see here, Wayne has welded these tabs to the dent. And the idea with this is the metal rod goes through the pins and this puller is hopefully going to try and move this in the right direction and see how much this comes out. So let's do it all together, guys. Let's see what happens, Wayne. I can feel the pins popping. I can hear it. Unbelievable.
You just have to work your way around like different areas and back and forwards until you get it where you want.
I'm absolutely shocked, mate. Guys, look at that already, how far that's come out.
Yeah, it needs a bit more down at the bottom.
Yeah. But what a great first start, eh?
It's come out.
It's come out absolutely lovely. So we'll get that bottom bit pulled back out.
And then what we'll do, we'll come off of this edge here.
Yeah.
And then we'll come off of this edge here. And then we'll come off of this edge here.
Yeah.
And then once they're more or less like
yeah.
straight, then you come in with a pin puller and you're pinning out your little spots.
Yeah. And then it should be ready for a bit of paint. So we are just getting on now, and we are just tacking this on and using the slide hammer to try and just pull this little lip out. But it's quite where it's on the join there, it is quite strong. So it is just a case of just slowly, bit by bit, tapping it down, pulling it out, Wayne. And then perseverance will be key for this job.
Yeah. Slowly.
Right, so the bar is in place. We have got the big, well,
Puller.
the big puller. That is a big puller as well. Well, look at that. So you take the tension up with a bit in the middle, and then you can see the spreader arms are coming down, and then the idea is you're going to pull it to take the tension.
See it, look at the seal move.
Look at that as he's pulling it.
And that's only just with his like
Mental. That is a lot of tension.
Ideally, I want it to look out just at the right place.
Yeah, a bit like the adjustable spanner, adjustable pliers, isn't it? Wow. Now that is under intention. So the idea now is we tap it and it should move, it should pull out.
The centre needs to come out a bit more.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I see it.
When one goes, then he puts more stress on all the others. And ping, ping, ping.
So now we are on to the lower part of the sill. Wayne has just tacked them on like he has at the top. Let's see how much this moves, Wayne, because it does look like it's going to move quite nicely, that.
Fingers crossed.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh.
We're losing a few pins. Are we going to lose some eyes? Oh.
Let's reattach them, mate.
We didn't really want that pinging off at us, did we, Wayne?
No, not under load.
So, Wayne, we are going to be stretching this one out.
Ready?
I'm scared. Oh, look at that move.
Listen to the seal. I can't. Look, it's holding itself
Look
up.
at that. Look at that. That is actually holding itself up on the pins.
See now, that's under tension. There, it's actually straight.
It's almost straight, yeah.
It needs to be pulling it past.
Yeah.
For the bounce back.
Yeah, because it will just bounce itself back in again, won't it?
So I think.
Yes. But that has actually pulled it out.
Yeah. It's come out.
That's
quite a
pulled
bit.
it out.
There's
I see what you
some-
mean, though, about the fact that you got to be careful because it could literally just explode. It's under that much tension.
Yeah.
That's mental.
Yeah.
What are we doing now? So this is a different type of device.
Yeah.
So this is basically a weld-on slide hammer. No, it's not a slide hammer.
It's a
puller.
pin puller. Yeah.
It's a pin puller. So we're going to be welding these last little bits down here, and then we use these here to pull the piece out.
If it sticks.
If it sticks. Let's just move down there. But literally, look at that, guys. That last little bit down the bottom. How amazing is that coming out? Well, we are fast approaching. In fact, I'm looking at the sky now. I can't even see the moon, Wayne. So we are fast approaching the next, the next day. There's the moon up there somewhere, but we are fast approaching the next working day. That is the side skirt on. Now, all we've got left to do now is just finish this piece off, which will be a video for another day. Get the paint on, door back on, and to be fair, then it'll be just a case of fitment, getting the wing fitted up, getting the inside of the door back on, and then it'll be time for its first clean, Wayne.